In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in Microsoft Teams meetings. This is an essential skill, especially if you're participating in virtual meetings and want to ensure you're contributing effectively without interrupting the flow of conversation. We all know that virtual meetings can sometimes feel chaotic with so many people wanting to speak. Knowing how to use the raise hand feature in Microsoft Teams will help you navigate these meetings more smoothly. To begin, make sure you've signed into Microsoft Teams. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Start by opening the Teams application on your computer or through the web app in your browser. Once opened, you'll be prompted to sign in. You'll input your username and of course your password. This step is crucial as all features, including raising your hand, are available only to signed in users. Now that you're in, you'll want to join or start a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the video icon, which is quite prominent at the interface's top right side. This icon is how you initiate or join video meetings, and clicking it brings up options to join a scheduled meeting or start an immediate one. Initiating a meeting might seem daunting at first, but it becomes intuitive once you've done it a couple of times, and it ensures you're present and ready to participate. With the meeting interface open, you'll notice a toolbar, typically at the bottom of your screen. One of the critical buttons on this toolbar is labeled Start Meeting. Clicking on this button will officially launch the meeting, allowing other participants to join if they haven't already. Within this meeting space, your activities will be visible to your colleagues, whether it's through video, audio, or raised hand signals. Once your meeting has started, or you've joined a meeting, it's time to master the art of non-verbal communication within Teams. Perhaps you have a point to raise or a question and want to do so politely. Look towards the meeting controls. Here you'll find an icon that looks like a raised hand. This is your go-to tool for voicing that you have something to contribute. Clicking on the raised hand icon will notify the meeting organizer and other participants that you wish to speak, bringing a semblance of order to the chaos. Remember, once you've had your turn to speak, it's good practice to click on the lower hand option that appears after you've raised it. This gesture will signal to others that your point has been addressed and that you're no longer waiting to speak. This feature is invaluable for maintaining structure within large meetings and ensuring everyone's voice can be heard without everyone speaking over one another. It's simple yet effective, enhancing communication and ensuring your meetings run smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you engage more effectively in your next meeting.